Alright, so I have been at the Equip Expo and been checking out things at Toro's booth and kind of catching up with them and seeing what's going on. And one thing that's really standing out to me, it's not here, but I do have information on the coming soon Toro electric Timemaster. It's happening and I have details. Here we go. So yes, the new 60 volt Timemaster is coming. It's happening. A lot of people have been asking me about that, if it exists, if it's on the roadmap, if it's coming at all. It's coming and it's very exciting. I'm looking forward to this. This is something I'm kind of been interested in, seeing how Toro's gonna make the transition in the Timemaster from gas to electric. And I've got some details here that I'm excited to share with you. First thing I want to point out, it's coming early spring of 2023. And there's going to be a couple of options when it comes to buying it. They're thinking of people who are already invested in the 60 volt lineup, but they're also thinking about people who are interested in getting into that lineup. So from what I understand, there's going to be a couple of options. You're going to have an option that comes with two 10 amp hour batteries, and that's going to give you a 65-minute runtime. And there's going to be space for a third battery as well. So it'll hold 3 batteries. It's going to come with 2 of them. So if you have extra batteries already, you can throw one in there. You can mix and match battery sizes. You can also buy a third battery if you don't have one. So the other option is going to be for those who haven't gotten started in the lineup yet. It's going to be available with a 10 amp hour, 5 amp hour, and a 2.5 amp hour battery. So it'll come with the 3 batteries, each of those 3 sizes. And their thinking is that someone will want to get into that lineup. So you'll get the Timemaster, you'll get the 3 batteries, and then the 2 smaller size batteries will support the single tools, tool only option. So if you want to get a tool only of a leaf blower and a tool only of the string trimmer, you can grab those, and then you'll have the batteries that came with the Timemaster to support those tools. Now Toro doesn't have the Timemaster on display here today at the Equip Expo, but they do have the commercial equivalent, the Turfmaster, and there are some similarities there. And I wanted to show you that, but I also was able to get a picture of the Timemaster that's coming soon. So here's a picture of it. You can take a look. It looks just like the gas-powered Timemaster, just has that curved personal pace handle, and of course it's got the battery system on there instead of the gas-powered engine. So that's what it's going to look like for the most part, and I'll go over a couple of the features that you can expect to find on it. Now, one change you're going to find on the 60 volt Timemaster is they're upgrading the personal pace handle. If you remember, the Timemaster I have has the squared off handle. The new personal pace handle is more rounded and curved and pretty comfortable in my opinion. So excited to see that. And it's also going to support the dual speed function that is on the new Super Recycler. So you have an option to go for auto speed, where the blade speed will increase if it senses that it needs to work a little bit harder, or you can just turn it into max power mode and run them at max power all the time. Of course, that's going to draw a little bit more battery power, but you have the option there either way. Now, I know the question on everybody's mind is, what's it going to cost? And that was my question too. And I was able to ask and get an answer from Toro on how much the 60 volt Timemaster is going to cost. Their suggested retail price on that machine is going to be $23.99. So $23.99 is going to get you started, and it's going to get you the 60 volt Timemaster with the 2 10 amp hour batteries, and you'll be off and running. So that's the information that I have on the new 60 volt Timemaster that's coming to market. If you have any questions about that, if I can get any more information, I'll be sure to let you know about it. I'm really excited to see it. I'm excited to see how it performs, how it matches up against the gas powered, and cut quality, all those things. I hope to get one to try and to put some content out there for you. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure that you're subscribed. Look forward to that, among other things. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.